Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It's Godan. So as you know, the channel has changed. It's no longer Don Titans. It will feature outdoors and outdoor stuff, mainly backpacking gear, and all things regarding the great outdoors. First thing needed for the great outdoors is your big three. That's your backpack, your shelter, and your sleeping bag. This here was my very first backpack. I got it as a Boy Scout. As you can see, it fits a full-grown man. So this backpack was too big for me when I was a kid. I don't know if they had kid-sized backpacks, but that was all that could be found back then. So this is me and my son. We both have external frame backpacks. As you see, the external frame backpack is large, holds a lot, and is heavy. This backpack here is the Hyperlight Mountain Gear Wind Rider. I used it going through the Buckskin Gulch Canyon. As you see, it's a large backpack, but it does not have an external frame. The Hyperlight Mountain Gear Wind Rider is frameless. I love this backpack. It's large, it carries a lot. So backpacks have one purpose. They need to carry your stuff out in the backcountry. They also come in multiple capacity sizes. Depending on the need or what you're doing or how long you're going to be out would determine what size you should actually use. Overall basis, you have to know what you want to do. As you can see here, my son and I, we've moved on to much smaller backpacks. Both are no frames, lower liter capacity, but rather comfortable and more than enough for what we need. Shelter, tents, tarps, bivvies. I started with a rain fly from a tent. It was just a thrift hand find. I didn't have a tarp, but I had that rain fly. I was happy with it, but I moved to a tarp and ultimately a tent. Again, with tents, there are lots of different kinds. Tents have the same difference like backpacks. There are different capacities for a number of people sleeping in them. And there's tents that require trekking poles. They're not freestanding, or a freestanding tent that comes with poles and keeps its shape. This here is the Durson X-Mid Pro 2. Fantastic tent. I no longer have it. Uses trekking poles. Is one of the lightest tents available on the market. Your sleep system is going to be your sleeping bag, quilt, pillow, and an air mattress or a foam mattress, whichever you prefer. Your sleep system can be dialed in a few different ways. You can use it with clothes or without clothes, depending on the temperatures that you're going to be backpacking in, that you're spending the night out over in the mountains. But lots of choices once again. Sleeping bag or quilt, it really doesn't matter. You just want to be warm. So as always, relax, enjoy, be balanced, have fun, and take care.